What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I want to show you three simple methods on how to convert a PDF file to an editable Microsoft Word document. So let me just open up the file that we are converting today to Word document. So this is the file. We're going to see three methods that we can actually use to do the conversion. Number one, we can use the Microsoft Word Office itself to do the conversion. So when you open up the Microsoft Word Office, click on the open button and then browse to the location where your file is located. So select the file and then click open. Just click this OK. So you can see now the PDF file is opened in Word document. As you can see, the extension here is PDF. So in order to convert that to Word document, go to File and click Save. So it's going to ask you the location, the output location. I'm going to save it in the same location where I have. So let me just add from Word like that, and then click enter. So now you can see now the extension has changed to a doc document to docx. So if I close that and I open the location, you can now see that we have two files. We have one that we just created, we've just converted to Word. So that's method number one. So this is the file that we have just converted. So the second method is to use an online converter. What we need is a browser and an internet connection. Just open up any browser that you have, and then I'm going to provide the link to the site, but you can also just type in I love PDF, I love PDF, like so, and then hit enter. Select the first link with the www.ilovepdf.com. click on that. So there are different tools that you can use, but what you want is PDF to Word. Choose on that, and then you can see that there is a button here that says select PDF file, but you can as well drag and drop. So it's up to you to choose which method that you are comfortable with, but for this case I'm going to import the file. Click open, and then on the right sidebar you can see the tools, the PDF to Word, and there are two selections, the one with no OCR and this another one with OCR. So with OCR you need to actually pay something small for you to use that tool, but if you have a standard PDF, you can just use the first link. Just click on that, make sure that it is selected, and then click on convert to Word, and so you can now see that your PDF has been converted to editable Word document. So you can now download. Click on the download Word button, and you can see the process here is ongoing. So let me just open the folder where it has been downloaded, and then right click and cut. Let me just cut, and we're going to paste it here, but this time round we're going to label it, give it a name again, and say from web, like that. And the last method today is to use Adobe Acrobat software. So if we have Adobe Acrobat, we are going to use that. So I'm just going to search Acrobat and then click on the application, go to file to import the file itself, and then choose open. So navigate to the location of your file and then choose it, select it, and then click open. So it's going to open the file, and then on the right hand side you can see there are a bunch of tools. One is export PDF. So there are different methods. There are ones to protect, there are for printing. Now for this case, choose export PDF, and you can export this PDF to spreadsheet, PowerPoint, image, HTML, but for this case we want to Microsoft Word. So make sure that you select Word document and then export. Save as. On this window, you now select, you can now choose the location that you want to select to export to, but at this point I just want to save it in the same location where my PDF is located. So I'm going to select this, I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to add, let's add from Acrobat, like so, and then click save. You can see that the file is quite heavy. It's around I think 41 pages with a few images. So the moment the process is complete, it automatically opens the file in the Word document. So you can see the file is already opened in the Word documents. So that's it. Those are the three methods. That is simple, and so now we have three files inside here. We have three editable Word documents that we have just converted from this single PDF document. So those are the three simple methods that you can use. At least you can find one that suits you. So there's no, I think that's the end of this tutorial. If you have any other question, you have a query, you have a comment, just leave it in the comment section below, and I'll go through them. So see you in the next tutorial.